Again, number 6, Sashtanga Namaskaram. Sashtanga Namaskaram. Ashtangam. 8 organs relax on the mat. Only 8 parts relax on the mat. Remaining parts just keep away from the mat. 1 forehead or chin. 2 chest. 3 4 palms. 3 4 hands. 5 6 kneecap. 7 8 foot fingers. Only 8 parts relax on the mat. Remaining parts just keep away from the mat. అరచేతులు మోచేతులు ఛాతీకి దగ్గరగా ఉండాలి. అరచేతులు మోచేతులు శరీరం దగ్గరగా ఉండాలి. అరచేతులు మోచేతులు నిల్చోవాలి. Don't move upper body. Don't move chin. Don't move chest. Don't move hands position. Slowly move forward walk with foot fingers and kneecap. పాదం వేలు మోకాలు చిప్పలతో ముందుకు నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలి. Lift thigh, lift seat. Your thigh seat look like heavy speed brake, heavy bump. Squeeze all joints. Sashtanga Namaskaram. Excellent asana for rheumatoid arthritis. Keela noppulu. Try to squeeze all joints. Lift thigh. Lift seat. Thigh seat look like heavy speed brake, heavy bump, heavy curve. Don't lift kneecap. Kneecap should be touch the mat. 21, 20, 19, 18.